Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to Sabanaket, Lao for my visa run. So here on this video, I hired a taxi. So I use the InDrive application for taxi. So I use a motorbike taxi because I'm running late. So lucky the driver drives fast. And then it almost rained here. But now, yeah, I'm going to the meeting point, which is Sukhumvit 50, Tesco Lotus. They are waiting for me there, so I need to get there around 7. So the time is almost 7 o'clock. So lucky I arrived here at meeting point. So now I'm looking for the van area. But before that, I already complied all the documents there. So now I'm going to the van. So they gave me some instruction where to find that van. So now I'm walking and then searching for the van. So now I'm here and then I'm sitting at the back area, which is very comfortable because there's a big space for me. But the van is full, as you can see, yeah. And then those people are mixed races. There's some Russians and then Chinese and then Myanmar, and yeah, it's mixed races. So they are going also for visa run, like me. By the way, we're traveling by land. So it's gonna be 8 hours or, yeah, 8 to 9 hours. So enough for the English. So we did stop over here para kumain at gamitin ang toilet. So ayan, ito yung first stopover namin, which is we went to 7-Eleven and then searching for food. Ayan guys, nag-noodles lang ako, tapos drinks and then chips. So after 15 minutes, nagpatuloy kami sa biyahe. Ayan, natulog lang ako dyan kasi wala namang magawa. Ayan, after a few hours, nag-stop over na naman kami. So this is our second stop. Another second 7-Eleven, yeah. So our second stop. Ayan, nag-stop kami for the toilet and for food again. Then, this is our third stop. Another 7-Eleven. So, we use toilet here. And, yeah, bumili kami ng pagkain. And then, ayan, magpapatuloy na naman kami. So, nag-stop lang kami for a few minutes. Kasi kailangan naming, bimahe agad. I mean, bumiyahe. Yeah. So yan guys, after long hours drive, nakarating lang kami dito sa may border ng Thailand. So yan, 6 a.m. na in the morning. So from 8 p.m. in the evening to 6 a.m. biyahe. So nakarating kami ng, yeah, exactly 6 a.m. here. So ayan, bababa kami diyan para punta sa border. And then yan, naglalakad kami. So this is Mukdahan border crossing point. So dyan kami for the passport control. So naghintay lang kami dyan for a few minutes. Like let's say around 30 minutes, yeah, yung naghintay kami. Bago nila inopen yung yung passport control area. So hindi ko na nabidyuhan sa loob, guys, because no camera allowed inside the office. So ayan, palabas na ako dito. Tapos na yung pagtatak sa passport ko. Dito sa may Thailand border. So ayan, next step is punta kami sa Lao border. So ayan, sasakay kami ulit ng van. Yung van din namin. Ito. So yun guys, after a few minutes, nakarating lang din kami dito sa Lao border. So kailangan namin magpatatak para makapasok sa border. Ayan, hinintay na namin yung passport and then sasakay kami ulit ng van papunta sa sa Royal Thai Consulate Embassy dito sa Lao. So ayan, a few minutes lang yung biyahe guys. Mga around 20 minutes lang from the Lao border. Before nyan, kumain muna kami ng brunch kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. So this is our breakfast and lunch time. And then after that, we went to Royal Thai Consulate Embassy dito sa Lao. So nandito na kami sa Lao. So, pumila kami dyan ng medyo matagal-tagal kasi maaga pa. And then, yeah, nasubmit na namin yung passport and then iniwan na namin yung passport. So, makukuha namin yung passport the other day. So, ngayon, mag-check-in muna kami sa hotel. And then yan guys, nakarating kami dito sa hotel and yung room number ko is 328. So, nag-book ako ng one person lang. So, nagdagdag lang ako ng 200 baht kasi ayaw ko makishare. By the way, yung room kasali na sa binayaran, so it's total package. Mag-comment na lang kayo kung sinong gusto mag-ask kung magkano binayaran ko sa visa. So, it's total package guys by travel agencies. So, ayan yung room ko pala. So, itutur ko kayo. Hindi siya masyadong, kagandahan, pero it's very comfortable. So, there's amenities and everything. And then, ayan guys, after nyan, nag-rest muna kami. And then, pagkagising namin is pinick up kami ng van for dinner. So, mga 5 minutes lang yung layo dun sa restaurant na pagkakainan ng dinner. So, again, kasali sa total package na binayaran ko sa travel agencies yung meals namin. So, it is free meals, yeah. So, ayan, papunta kami sa may dinner area. And here we are guys. So dyan kami nag-dinner. So it's a simple buffet but masarap naman yung food. So ayan yung sa akin chicken and then with soup, chicken din. So free lang yung meals guys. And then yan, after yan, pauwi na kami papunta sa hotel. And then, naglakad lang kami. And then, in the morning, of course, there's another free breakfast. Hinatid sa room. Yan, with coffee and juice. So, pipili ka lang guys sa menu. And then, ihahatid yung breakfast. So, hanggang dyan na lang guys yung video. And then, abangan nyo na lang yung susunod na na video for the day 2 ng Sabana Ketlao. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.